Does the Amazon really produce 20% of the world's oxygen? Does the Amazon rainforest really produce 20% of the world's oxygen? Scientific truth, myths, and the real ecological role of the Amazon. We often hear the popular statement, the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. But is this accurate? Is it backed by science? In this article, we'll break down this claim, present the latest scientific facts, and clarify the actual role the Amazon plays in the global oxygen and carbon cycle. The scientific reality. The statement, the Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen, is misleading. In reality, the Amazon contributes only about 6% of the net oxygen available for breathing globally. However, the Amazon plays a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide, storing carbon, and regulating the planet's climate. What is the Amazon rainforest? Nicknamed the lungs of the earth, the Amazon covers over 5.5 million square kilometers, spanning 9 countries with the largest part in Brazil. It includes over 16,000 species of trees, an estimated 390 billion individual trees, nearly 10% of the world's biodiversity. Where does Earth's oxygen really come from? Oxygen is mainly produced through photosynthesis, a process where plants, algae, and microbes convert carbon dioxide into oxygen using sunlight. But here's what many don't know. More than 80% of Earth's oxygen is not from forests, but from phytoplankton in the oceans, microscopic algae, and marine organisms. These tiny oceanic life forms photosynthesize and produce massive amounts of oxygen. What do studies say about the Amazon's oxygen contribution? National Geographic, 2019, states the Amazon may produce up to 20% of oxygen via photosynthesis, but it consumes nearly the same amount through plant respiration and decomposition. NASA Earth Observatory, the Amazon is not a major source of the oxygen we breathe. Most of Earth's oxygen comes from the oceans. Columbia University research explained that while the Amazon produces lots of oxygen during the day, it consumes almost the same amount through biological processes, resulting in net zero oxygen production. The Amazon's oxygen and carbon cycle: photosynthesis, oxygen production; respiration, decomposition, oxygen consumption. Result: almost zero net gain in oxygen. So the Amazon isn't truly pumping out the oxygen we breathe, but it is a massive carbon sink, which is just as, if not more, important. What happens when the forest is destroyed? Even if the Amazon doesn't make 20% of our oxygen, deforestation has severe consequences. Releases stored carbon back into the atmosphere, intensifies global warming, decreases biodiversity, reduces the planet's ability to regulate climate. Study from Leeds University, 2021. Parts of the Amazon are now emitting more carbon than they absorb due to deforestation and wildfire.